Terembere serious. It's okay. Let me see. Yeah, this will do. So crossing. A moment, don't change that. It's beautiful. Hey. Yeah. Okay. Let's try another one. No, let's try from this side. Kuno kuguru. Yeah, even that will do. This side, eyes. Okay. Look, just raise your chin a little. Then first cross for me. Better when you look this side. No, to know then. Your whole body. Then cross. Then I want. Okay. But you push this side. Out. Cross. Then I want you to put the weight on the other hip. Yeah. The other side. No? How you are? Go over there. No? Yeah, the other side. Then for the hand, just place. Yeah. Higher, just higher. On the thigh around here. Yeah, perfect. Let me get half. Yeah. Nice. Other one. Can I have just stand like this? Okay. You're going to do something like this. No? For this knee. Yeah. Now, bang up like the other side. Yeah. But you're going to bend it from inside. Yeah. Tware maso. Then turn the upper body. Omubiri obenga ntunuid like this side. Perfect. Can relax. Soko the body. Yeah. I'm going to take 2 photos. One. Nice. The other, first way, same pose. Eyes here. So, for the same pose, kyogenda okunkolera, you're going to put one on the hip, then kuno just you do like this. Okay? Not, but that's too much. Yeah, then this one on the hip. Then pull your dress slightly down. Down. Yeah. Like that. Yeah. eyes here. Perfect. Yeah, I like that. Let me get full of that. Let me get, I'll get one more like that. It was nice. It was nice. No, it was the children. It was nice. Let's redo it. Mm. Mm-hmm. Just, mm-hmm. Yeah, but ogenda sikako emabega katono. Mm. Awo. Chogenda okukola, you're going to put like this hand. No, but that's too much. Don't overbend behind. Then the hand waggulu nga ku nviiri, kuteeke nga ku nviiri. Then this one on your hip. Oh. Yeah. Mm. Then tunule same pose. Ogenda tuula. I wanted you to do like that. Like from the side. But I want the upper body. Then kakole it out. Yeah. Kuno osokola nga otadde ku hip. Yeah. Nice. Perfect. You're going to see it. So go to the. You're comfortable and seated. Okay. Ati bino mbiteekewa. Naye, I want to raise. Akuteekako waggulu. You're going to be up. No, the stand is too high. So Jacobo posing with your hands, mikono. Yeah. But you wanted headshots, right? So let me see how far this. Okay. Hey. Yup. Okay. Let me first test the light. Ndabe. Better if you look this side. I like that. Yeah, this is beautiful. Yeah. Brush, any? No, I know makeup. Okay. This one. This. These photos are nice. Birungi. It's nice. How about you pose using the brush instead? Yeah. Fire, fire, fire. Kyandibadde beto ki? Okay. Sooka otunula eri nga wabadde. Get a close one. No, sooka okyukire eno tulabe. No, your whole body. Careful, don't fall. Uh-huh. Mm. Nice. Perfect. Let me get, yeah. Can you put the brush closer? Okay, let me get another one with the eyes this side. Better with the eyes here. Mm. Perfect. But you're beautiful. Okay, let me take from this angle. Can you put the brush? No, I feel like Jimmy is like that. I have to take a very close one. Perfect. How is that? It's nice. Uh-huh. Soka, just to know straight. Can I see your nail somehow? Just take one. No, yeah, anyway. No, take once. So I want to see your nails just in the peak. Yeah, yeah, to your earring. Yeah, this is beautiful. Hey. Yeah, actually, call a what? Yeah, now tunula straight mu camera. Can I have your hair? Zwenges go shoulders. Uh-huh. then ogenda kukola bwoti. But I feel like oli nnyo mu side, just straight. Benga kuwa passport photo. Then for this hand, then the chin, raising a chin, awo. Then omutwe, awo, perfect. Yes, this is beautiful. Nice. Can I have this hand on the hip? But I feel like you're over tilt. Sigala bwoti. Oh, I feel like ogenze nnyo. Kaliwa? Nkikubeko emabega. Genda semberako. Wali nga wobadde. Towards the side. In front. Push in front. Towards the other wall. In front. Genda nyiganga awo. But I feel like it is better without buno obw'okutuulako. But nakyo kirungi, but getting the detail of the hair. You're going to pause. Semberayo nga wali. Yeah. Yeah. Banga chuken out. Not like your face. Kubeyo half. Like that. Out. No chukira ddala. What? Oba ogugize nnyo. Okay. Hey, our model. Our model. Hey.